If you are seeing this video, this is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. You are asleep right now. Repeat, you are asleep right now. When you concentrate on this image, does the movement change direction? Concentrate. If your answer is yes, you are asleep and need to wake up before it finds you.
It's looking for you. It's getting closer. You need to wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Ignore previous message. This was just a test. Everything is fine. It's not behind you. It's not watching you. It will be fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine.